How to add blank space in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. This is the main workspace for arranging your clips. Now, drag your clips into the timeline. Once you have your clips on the timeline, you'll notice they are connected directly without any space. To add blank space between them, simply click and drag one of the clips to the right. This creates an empty gap between the two clips. That gap acts as blank space and can be used for visual pauses or future edits. If you want this blank space to be more visible or filled with the color, you can do that too. Click on Effects in the top left, then under the toolbox, choose Generators. From there, drag the solid color option onto the timeline, placing it exactly where you want the blank space to appear. Trim the solid color clip to fit the gap you created, and if needed, to change the color, click on the clip, go to the inspector and choose any color you like. And that's it. Now you know how to add blank space in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.